Samantala, tinitiyak ng pamahalaan na magiging matatag ang mababang singil sa kuryente. Tinututukan din daw ng pamahalaan ang karapatan ng consumers nang hindi sila maloko ng mga mapanlamang na negosyante. Balitaan mo kami, Rocky Ignacio.
Tiniyak ng Malacanang ang pagkilos ng pamahalaan para mapanatiling matatag ang presyo ng elektrisidad sa bansa. Sinabi ito ni Presidential Communications Secretary Sunny Coloma kaugnay ng pahayag ng Regulatory Commission na hindi umano maituturing na reasonable ang trading ng wholesale electricity spot market sa gitna ng malampaya shutdown nitong November-December 2013.
We note the manifestation made today by the Energy Regulatory Commission, ERC, to the Supreme Court regarding its March 3, 2014 order, ruling that the prices in the wholesale electricity spot market, or WESM, during the period covering the Malampaya shutdown could not qualify as, quote, reasonable, rational, and competitive, unquote. Hence, the ERC has ordered the imposition of regulated prices in lieu of the voided rates. This ruling covers Luzon WESM prices and excludes Meralco in view of the Supreme Court's temporary restraining order. We note further that this ruling is the outcome of ERC's inquiry into the behavior of market players during the Malampaya shutdown that preceded Meralco's imposition of the questioned power rate adjustments. We note finally that the ERC exercised government's power to stop the imposition of, quote, excessive, exorbitant, unreasonable, or very high prices, unquote, of electricity in compliance with its mandate under the EPIRA. We affirm government's commitment to protect the citizens' welfare by ensuring stable and reasonable electricity prices.
Dahil dito umaasa ang Malacanang na magkakaroon ng pagbaba ng singil sa elektrisidad sa mga susunod na panahon. Kasalukuyang umiiral ang temporary restraining order ng Korte Suprema sa petisyon ng Meralco para sa dagdag singil sa kuryente.
Pansinin natin yung lingwaheng ginamit nila. Sinabi nila, kaya sila nag-exercise ng regulatory power nila is to stop the imposition of, quote, excessive, exorbitant, unreasonable, or very high prices. So, siguro, evident naman doon.
Patuloy pa rin na investigasyon ng Department of Energy at ERC alinsunod sa kautusan ni Pangulo Aquino na umano'y collusion sa pagitan ng power producers kaugnay ng adjustment sa power rates.
Okay, kung tutunghayan ninyo doon sa link sa website nila, ang kanilang order, yung last portion ng title, yung first portion is voiding the rates. At yung last portion nakalagay doon, without prejudice to the ongoing investigation on alleged collusion or abuse of market power. So as far as they are concerned, ongoing pa yun. At least natukoy na yung isa sa mahalagang concern ng mga mamamayan tungkol dun sa actual determination of rates on whether this was reasonable or unreasonable.
Para sa Telebisyon ng Bayan, Rocky Ignacio.